place thing. It's like a giant food court with a bunch of different restaurants, and it's really cool, really urban, very decorative, very classical. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but yeah, we're gonna get some good food right now. Alcohol is not the answer to treat problems, so you know. But yeah, I'm excited to see what we're gonna get right now, and I don't know what else we're gonna do today. So. I like turtles. Look at this is the new vlogger right here.
Hey guys, if you're liking this video, I want you to smack a like on it real quick. Hit the notification.
Okay. God's plan. This is God's plan right here. God's plan. Look at how delicious that looks. What is it? Is it so good, Damien? What do you think? Test. Nico's eating his crepe. Lashley's eating his ramen. Diego's eating his nothing.
What is it?
Just finished our lunch. I don't know what you think.
Lonnie's pregnant. I'm the baby daddy.
He's definitely not the baby daddy.
I am the baby mama.
Lashley, give us a noodle review. Ready?
Welcome back to another episode of Noodle Review with Elijah and Dude. How's the presentation? Why do you keep asking me? I don't know what he's trying to say, but here's noodles. I got a thick bunch of noodles here, so I'm just gonna stick it in my mouth. It's freaking
That looks like some good presentation to me.
very good.
Just having a good time. I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the wind, but it's really loud, really cold out here. That's why I'm currently not in. But yeah, I'm just holding the camera very low down.
Because I'm short.
He's eating gummy bears and he's kind of
Oh God! Big wave coming in from the lads! Oh,
yeah.
died down. Sorry, might be.
Slap it. Alright.
Well, he said I can't hold it anymore.
Oh no! Rip spectacles. Just dropped the spectacles. So windy!
This might be Squanton Zlatan. I see him over there. It's a wild Squanton Zlatan. Let's go get him.
minutes. Will you buy me some Mexican?
No.
Okay.
Oh, we've got a Scopagon coming in our way. Oh, never mind, he's off. Oh, wait a second. Oh, no. They lose speed around this height. Oh, great, never mind.
Yeah, they are currently buried in the sand. Beautiful. Oh, nice.
Nico, lay back.
Interesting. See you later, beach.
Llama llama, llama llama llama, llama llama, llama llama llama, llama llama, llama llama llama, llama 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 dance. Llama llama, llama llama llama, llama llama, llama llama llama, llama llama.
What's up, guys? We're out here. Got back from the beach, came home, rested up a little bit. I mean, why did I say came home? Came to the hotel. But yeah, it rained a little bit. It's really, really cold outside. But it's a sad Squidward hours. Yeah, we're gonna go get some food back at the same place we were at earlier. I don't know why. But boba tonight and maybe some crepes. Crepes are always good. But yeah.
We get double the dessert, huh?
Yeah, double dessert, baby. Double dessert. What's up, guys? We're here. We just got this
But you guys got
giant
weird
boba tea cotton candy taro thing. It's crazy. Look at that. Yeah, the flower crown that came with it. Gang. Oh, my straw's sinking in. But yeah, it's very, very delicious. Nice be Chase.
Julius.
Alright, welcome back to Elijah Villa Food Reviews. Today, we're back at the same spot, but we've got ourselves a new deal. Frick, it's a meal, not a deal, might be. We've got fish and chips.
Oh, this is yours, Roxanne. This is your dinner, babe.
I haven't tried the fish and chips yet, but the fries are very good. Yeah, cut the clip.
I don't.
Okay, what's up, guys? We're here at the packing district. I'm
We're
here
at
with
the
Julius.
Anaheim Sun-Kissed Packing District.
Yeah, this is the first time Julius has ever been in California. Let's go, Julius! Yeah, but we just had a good boba tea, some good barbecue brisket sandwiches, and now we're gonna head home. We're getting kicked out of the patio because we're too loud. Just kidding, it's close.
We were gonna sleep here, bro.
You gotta click
We're all gonna head up to the Team 10 house after this, yeah!
I can't believe this happened, bro. Somebody just jumped off the cliff next to us.
Damien hasn't been on the vlog. What do you have to say, Damien? What's your favorite song right now, Damien?
Gonna have to go with
Sicko mode.
I'm gonna have to go with the theme song to Big Time Rush. Really hot one there. Mega.
Just got shot with a frag.
He's been sniped.
Someone tie it.
What's up, guys? We just finished dinner. It was absolutely delicious. It's raining now, so we have soccer games tomorrow. Maybe they'll get canceled. Probably not, but we do have games tomorrow, and that's the thing. We're gonna try to go to Rip and Dip, maybe Supreme, maybe Babe tomorrow. Get some big pickups, you know, downtown Los Angeles, Melrose. That's the big pickups for tomorrow. And yeah, it's raining, it's cold. We don't have this here in Arizona, the rain. So yeah, it's just a nice night. It's a very romantic night too, but I have nobody, so. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So far. I got the flower tongue wrapping. Yeah, if you liked this video, please remember to smack the like on it. You know, subscribe, join the notifications button. Some girl was just watching me, so yeah. But yeah, take it easy, fam squad. We'll see you in the next one. Maybe this is not the end of the video. I don't know. Whatever.
In these songs, in these songs, in these songs, in these songs, in these songs.
subscribe here again. It's the next day. Welcome back to the vlog. If you aren't already subscribed, what are you doing? Smack that freaking subscribe button. Smack the like button, even though you haven't even watched the video yet, but still do that. Today we are going to Los Angeles.
Got scared.
Yeah, but we're gonna go to downtown Los Angeles. Gonna go to Rip and Dip, maybe to Round 2, maybe to Bape, maybe to Supreme. But we're going to go see what we can find. Gonna have a nice day. Maybe go to downtown Disney as well. We have soccer games today. It's raining. Yeah, kind of the mood for life. But well, we'll see what happens today. Peace out. Gonna get into freaking Rip and Dip. Oh god! Dude, h3h3, Bape Nation! Let's go!
Dude, let's
Dude, sick! Bye, Ethan and Mila.
Bye.
Like, how much was that phone case? I'm like, $12. And they were like, yeah.
Nico just met h3h3 just like all of us. Got Ethan's autograph on the phone. Bape
We've done fish and chips. Welcome to Rip. So today we've got boards, but today I got pants. I got pants. They're freaking heat.
I just got shorts. I got shorts and shit.
Actually, frick that. They're right there. They're freaking heat. I got myself an ice cream, some toaster.
made h3h3 today successful.
Yep, I freaking shook their hands. Let's go. Let's actually go.
Pretty fresh.
We out here, young flexing. We got that hoodie, we got them pants, we got them shorts, we got that shirt. You know, we flexed it.
What's up, guys? We just had our soccer game. Lost 1-0. 1-0, yeah. Tough day, but it's alright. The rest of the day was good. Right here, we're gonna get something to eat. Want to let you know, even if you take hits in life, you have to get back up, and be strong afterwards. But yeah. You have to listen to that advice, even though I'm stupid, okay? Whatever, there's an ocean shot right there if you want to get that. Yeah, we're gonna go swimming in that pool afterwards. Oh wait, it's not a pool, it's the ocean. She thought it was a pool, it's just the ocean. Yeah, but we're gonna get pranked. Now we're gonna go get what? Now we're gonna get pranked. Right there.
That's not the prize.
Oh yeah, what's up guys? We're just ghetto arcade. I don't know where the heck we are. I don't know where the heck we are, but yeah, you can take a look. Pretty big, actually. We're at some pier. I'm trying to eat, man, that's all. If you're trying to eat, leave in the comments, I'm trying to eat. Or smack a dislike, I'm joking. Big likes. Big likes every day, babies. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. Peace out. Here's my lobster friend. Pretty cool. What's up, buddy? Julius?
They're alive?
No, they're not. Yeah, but we're tired. We just want to eat, man. That's all we're gonna do. We just want to eat. It's never gonna happen.
Hurry up.
Start it.
I did.
Oh, what's up, guys? We're going to Shakey's Pizza Parlor. I have no idea what this place is, but
let me zoom on there.
Good pizza, apparently. So yeah, good pizza.
Hold on.
Oh, you focusing in on that?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Shake it. There we go. All right.
Let's go.
Are we at? Okay, we're going.
Are you still filming?
3, 2, 1.
rocking in the parking lot. We're about to get some Cold Stone Creamery. It's late at night, like 10:30, but yeah, we're hungry still. We just had some good pizza. Yeah, probably gonna call it a night right now. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you had it.
Don't do drugs, kids. Don't do drugs.
No, don't bother.
This is why you don't do drugs.
It's bread. It's currently 10:32. And he's broken down.
What's the time? What's the time?
What's the time?
I already did.
Show the time.
Yeah, I already did.
What's the time?
I showed 10:32.
See it.
10:32.
Officially out of gas.
He goes to bed at 8:20 usually. It's a problem.
Are you okay, bud?
What's up, Thicko Modes? It's nighttime. It's like 11 o'clock, but it's time for us to go to bed now. I don't know if we're gonna continue this vlog. I'm gonna take the vlog for tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. If it is the end, I hope you enjoyed it so far, and I hope you like and subscribe. Smack a like on it. Yeah. Eat this ice cream and peace out.